Once again, Thales will be present at the Eurosatory 2022 international exhibition this year. We are looking forward to showing you our new capability offerings. We live in a constantly changing world where strategic balances are being challenged, where high-intensity warfare is becoming a reality again, a world where all areas of conflict, both kinetic and non-kinetic, are involved. In this context, land forces are engaged in an accelerated capability evolution to guarantee the sovereignty of states and to reinforce their capacity to defend populations. This is why we would like to invite you to discover an immersive journey to the heart of an operational mission on the Thales stand. A journey that presents innovative solutions for force readiness, simulation, maintenance in condition, intelligence, command and control of operations, combat itself, and force protection. Thales designs and manufactures equipment, sensors, effectors, and connectivity, but above all, we have the unique ability to network them and to develop comprehensive architectures for complex systems in an end-to-end approach. Thales' real expertise lies in embedding intelligence on all types of platforms and integrating them into the combat environment. This is what makes collaborative combat a reality today. As for the digital field, Thales is actually building the 4 key pillars of connectivity, big data, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity with a human and ethical approach. And lastly, Thales designs and produces equipment and complex systems with commitment to provide long support and training in a relation of trust. Thales delivers products, services, and capabilities that provide forces with decisive technological superiority that accelerates the tempo of operation and gives them a head start on the enemy. See you soon at Eurosatory 2022.